The mathematical notation for the multiple asset portfolio model follows that and is an extension of what we did for the two asset portfolio model. Again, what we're doing with the multiple asset portfolio model is solving that for those assets on this line 2 and 3. And what we will be doing for our notation is we can completely characterize our returns of our assets by two measures for each individual asset, mean and variance. Here you see the expected return for each asset. We have I of them. We'll have up to n, so I is the ith one. Variance of the asset or the standard deviation. And we also have to know the correlation between asset I and asset J. And again, that correlation will range from 1 to -1. We also have our choice variables, the weight of asset I in portfolio. This is the percent of our funds that we invest in asset I. And those range from 0 to 1. If it's 0, there's no money invested in that asset. If it's 1, all of our portfolio would be invested in that asset. To solve for the portfolio, here's what we're going to do. As far as the equation, we will have expect returns from the portfolio, and those will equal, again, the weighted sum of the portfolio. You see the two asset case listed below it, and it's a special case. The variance of our portfolio, you see again listed there. We had 2 plus the 1 W1, W2 on the previous two asset portfolio. Now we're going to have many of those, and so we're going to have more cross terms, and you can see the summation across I and J, where I does not equal J. So that is our notation for this portfolio model. We will show you how we're going to set that up, or could set that up, or what we will do in Excel, and how we will then solve for the efficient portfolios.